I have broken my Xbox. I only have 2 spare controllers. I didn't even know this one was legit. Check out what the board says. It doesn't say Microsoft. D-pad's still good. You see the Chinese stick is terrible compared to the OEM stick, but this stick's ripping. So we're going to take that one off. This was broken on the A button, but we have a new Chinese pad. See, it will last another 2 years. I don't know. Yeah, the Chinese sticks on eBay. The dots aren't on the edges, but they're okay. And then you can go to your Windows calibration and watch your cams at the same time. I greased this one too. I should have greased the triggers. Messy desk now. And then you can just go along and check all the functions and make sure everything works. The A button, that is way better. All these buttons are tight because that's like a key fob on your car. You click it enough, you break it. So it lasted 2 years. Lasted 2 years.